In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create image in Chat GPT. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create image using Chat GPT, browse Chat GPT in any browser. Here in Chat GPT, you will find a three-dot icon to view tools. Click on View Tools, and then you will find an updated option, Create Image. Click on Create Image, and here after Create Image, you can type Create Image in landscape with ocean, mountain, and sunset. You will just give instruction to ChatGPT as per your requirement, and then hit enter or click on up arrow icon here. And now ChatGPT is trying to generate an image in landscape. You have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes. The image is creating, and look, ChatGPT is generated an image with mountain, ocean, and the sunset. And if you want, you can download this image. Click on download button on upper right corner on the image, and look, the image is downloaded. Now I'm going to open the image, and this is the image ChatGPT has generated. Again, if you want, you can generate new image. Click on View Tools and click on Create Image, and then type Create Image with two red horses in a green field. Click on up arrow icon here. ChatGPT is generating the image. It will take 3 to 5 minutes to create the image. The image has been generated with my requirement with two horses and a green field. If you think the image is not as per your choice, you can generate it again. Just type here, try again with large field, try again with large field, and then again click on up arrow, and ChatGPT is regenerating the image. ChatGPT again generated an image with two red horses and a large green field. You can download the image by clicking on the download button on upper right corner on the image. I'm going to open the image. This is the easiest way to create images using ChatGPT. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.